I welcome all of you, and you are watching the regular series on YourPedia related to group tasks. So normally the tasks which were asked last year in couple of public sectors. So I am coming out with the same kind of task as of now on the basis of what feedback I got from the students last year who went for the task in IOCL, in SAIL, in I think NTPC also. So on the basis of that, right? So one of the tasks given, and before I tell you what was the task and what is the approach required, I request each one of you who is genuinely participating in this entire process and who want this activity to continue, please give the solution to the task, and then I will comment on each one of your solution. You have to give the solution, what do you think is the solution to this problem, and I will comment on the solution to each one of you once you give solution on this particular video. So group task is nothing but basically a situation. He always gives you a situation or a problem. He will give you a situation or a problem and a task. So task, situation, problem he will give you, and you have to find the innovative solution to that. You have to give the innovative solution to that particular problem. So last year one such a task was given that you have to choose among, there are two kind of people you are getting. You are getting two kind of people. One you are getting is more capable person. More capable means more learned. For this job, like suppose I'm putting some new machine and my old employees in the company are not well versed with that particular machine. So I advertised and I got new employees out of the industry, and they are more capable. They have done work on that, and that is a new employee out of the company and a more experienced and trustworthy. I have an employee who is for the last 10 years with me, more trustworthy, I know him, he is more experienced, but in that domain he may not be capable. So whom should you recruit for particular job, and how do you decide this kind of problem? Is the problem case study clear? You have new employee who is capable, learned, his hard skills may be good, सो नॉलेजेबल है, लेकिन मेरे को ये नहीं पता वो ट्रस्टवर्दी है कि नहीं है, वो एक्सपीरियंस्ड है कि नहीं है, नया लड़का है आप जैसा, वो नया आ गया, और मेरे को नई जॉब है जिसमें जो ओल्ड एम्प्लॉइज हैं दे विल ऑल्सो लुक फॉरवर्ड कि मेरे को यहाँ पे रखा जा सके, मे बी सैलरी इज मोर और मोर प्रमोशनली जॉब है. तो हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस सिचुएशन? आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग योर आंसर and I'm going to give you solution on this case study, and because many of you will be giving your answers in this, so at the end we will hit some kind of consensus. So let's make this comment section as a regular discussion session, so I'll feel motivated and appreciated if you start giving your answers, and then I provide you answers on your comments. Thank you. So let's proceed ahead with these many tasks which I'm going to give you in next couple of days. Thank you.